Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Gupta, founder of Jan Swasthya Technologies, and in continuation of our diabetes series, today I will talk to you about the causes of type 2 diabetes. If you are just joining us on this video, I would recommend checking out our earlier videos that explain what is diabetes and the various types of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is mostly caused by two things: lifestyle and genetics. Let's break down the more complicated thing first: genetics. Inside each and every one of our cells, the body has a set of instructions known as DNA inside it. This set of instructions tells the cells how to behave, how the body will function, and even how happy we generally are. These instructions are inherited from our parents, but frequently they can be damaged or changed due to exposure to chemicals, good nutritious food, and a variety of other external factors. The process of passing down these instructions is very imperfect, and they produce as many errors as my grandfather does when he recounts a story from his childhood. These set of instructions are called genes, and they were very recently discovered. Currently, many of the world's top scientists are exploring and understanding what genes are and how they function. If we can understand this, then we can understand life. Because genes are passed on by our parents, it means that Indians have a set of instructions that are common that separate us from our neighbors like East Asians or the Europeans. Genetics have shown that Indians as a whole are more likely to develop diabetes earlier than and at lower weight levels than Europeans and East Asians due to our set of instructions. This means that as an Indian, we must all be especially on guard about this disease because we were born this way. There are many beliefs as to why we are born to who we are born to. Some people say that it's because our previous lives are predetermined, whereas others believe that it's just random. But regardless of why it occurs, we must simply contend with what has occurred. If we cry that the set of instructions that made us are faulty, we cannot overcome them, so we must be extra vigilant. Which is why it is so important to consider the second aspect, the lifestyle factors that make someone so susceptible to diabetes. Research from reputed institutions like the National Institute of Health in the United States has shown many causes of diabetes. I'll list them out, okay? The first is a poor diet. You probably know, and you should follow, that decreasing sugar-sweetened drinks like Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up is essential. You should decrease eating ultra-processed foods and lots of saturated fats and trans fats. So if something's just covered in oil and just been frying there, you probably shouldn't have it. Another aspect is obesity, which is highly linked to the previous aspect below. Obesity is associated with nearly 55% of type 2 diabetes. The third is poor sleep. You should try and make yourself very comfortable when you sleep. Poor sleep can lead to the onset of type 2 diabetes. A fourth aspect is during pregnancy if you suffer from poor nutrition. While pregnant, it's really important that any mother provides quality nutrition to the child. The major contributors of diabetes are our lifestyle and genetics. The set of instructions that make us Indian are not in diabetes' favor. So we must work doubly hard on our lifestyle. We should exercise, we should focus on a good diet. If you liked our video, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with all your friends. If you need quality, affordable diabetic medication and don't want to pay for the cost of marketing, then please go to the SayaCare website at saya.net.in or download our app available as SayaCare in the link below. SayaCare will convert all your diabetic medication into cheaper, quality-assured options so you can be sure to save 90% sitting at home, not worrying about quality. In our next video, we will discuss how to measure blood sugar and the steps that you can take to stay on top of diabetes.